How are you? Hope you're fine today. So, now we're going to start with our stepping stones book term 3. Okay? We stop at where, Ms.Mariam? We stop at page 9 in the book, and now we're going to start page 10. Page 10. Alright? Before reading the story, I want to introduce to you what is our sound today. Our sound is R. Repeat after me. R. The sound is R. Again, I can't hear you. Repeat after me. Yes. R. How do I spell R? A-R. A-R. Alright, pandas? Okay. Do you want to listen to the story? Let's see what's the story of R. Come on. Let's see what is the story of the sound R. First of all, the story is called Going to the Farm. It's called Going to the Farm. We visit our cousin who lives on a farm. The farm isn't far, so we travel by car. We start our journey in the afternoon. It's dark when we arrive, and the sky is full of sparkling stars. We park outside the barn beside the farmer's car. Let's repeat the story one more time. All right. We visit our cousin who lives on a farm. The farm isn't far, so we travel by car. We start our journey in the afternoon. It's dark when we arrive, and the sky is full of sparkling stars. We park outside the barn beside the farmer's car. Now I guess you know all the words that has the sound R, okay? It doesn't have to be 3 words, it doesn't have to be 4 words, it can be more than 5 words, but at the end, you will hear the sound R. Like if I look here, I'll find farmer. You see, I said farmer. If I say sparkling, I said sparkling. All right, Ms.Mariam, I want to know the words. What are the words that I need to blend? Okay, let's see the words first that you need to read. You see this picture? Who can tell me what is this? It's a button that you press on if you want something to start. Repeat after me. Start. Again, repeat after me. Start. Start. Do you see where's the R? R. Start. Again, repeat after me. Start. Let's see. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I did not say open. Close your eyes. All right. Open your eyes. What about this one? What do you think this guy is? A what? A fighter? No. A bus driver? No. I guess he's a farmer. Yes, farmer. He is a farmer. Do you know who's the farmer? Who takes care of animals in the farm and the seeds and everything, okay? Do you see where's the sound? Farmer. Farmer. Close your eyes. Woo, that's Open your eyes. You're going to get confused now because you're going to tell me, Miss Mariam, we don't know what's this. You're going to say shining, stars. Makes sense, but it's not. If you see something that's shining, you're wearing something that's shining. It has a lot of glitter on it. It can be shining or it can be sparkling. Sparkling. Repeat after me. Sparkling. You see? It's has a lot of sparkles. Sparkling. You see the sound? R. Sparkling. Alright? Close your eyes. I guess this one is easy. If you don't say it, I'm going to cry right now. Open your eyes. What do you see? Exactly. What? Yes. Stars. Excellent, pandas. It is stars. Or they are stars. What was the common sound here, pandas, in all of those flashcards? In the stars, in the sparkling, in the farmer, and in the star. Yes, R. What's our sound? R. R. All right. Let's see what we are going to blend here. What are we going to blend here, Miss Mariam? Let's see. Let me tell you. I have here, my sound is R. I have 4 words that I need to blend. All right? But before that, let me show you what are the words. The words are, look at me here. B, A, R, N. B, R, N. Barn. You see? Barn, where the farmer keeps the animal in, or the house that belongs to the farm. B, R, N. B, R, N. Barn. The second one, that's an easy one. K, R, car. K, R, car. The third one. Wow, it's very dark in the picture. D, R, K. Dark. D, R, K. Dark. The fourth one. F, A, R. Far. F, A, R. Far. All right? So, let's try to do it together here. The first one in number 1. All right? Number 1. I have space, R, and space. Let me write. I'm not going to tell you. You have to tell me. What did I write now? Let's read together. Who wants to read with me and raise your voice? Yes, tell me. What do you see here? B, R, N. B, R, N. Barn. Excellent. Number 2. What do you see here? Excellent. K, R, car. K, R, car. Number 3. You're going to tell me. What do you see here? D, R, K. Dark. D, R, K. Dark. The last one is very easy. What do you see here? on page 14, you're going to write our date, and don't forget the date is 18-3. 18-3. Okay? Here, this is a farm. This is a farm. You're gonna write it 1, 2, 3 times. Write it in a good handwriting, pandas. You know, I'm gonna give you a sad face right here if you do not write it correctly, okay? And do not forget the full stop. Do not forget the full stop. Do not forget the date, okay? Here, it says, draw a picture of a farm. You have here cows, you have chickens, you have barns. Just imagine a picture of a farm and you can draw whatever you want. All right? Again, do not forget the date, and do not forget to write correctly. Tell me, until I open the workbook, have you ever visited a farm? You know what? I think we went to a farm together. Don't you remember that? It was a really nice farm. We did a lot of nice stuff together. Don't you remember this, pandas? We had a lot of fun together. Now, after you finish, you know what we're gonna do. You're gonna tell me, Miss, we know. We're gonna open the workbook. I know, Miss, right? That's what you tell me every time. Don't forget to write the date. Page 4 and 5 in the workbook. Page 4 and 5 in the workbook. So, you have K-R in the matching. K-R, St-R, and farmer. You're gonna match them, okay? Down here it says, color the star yellow and color the car red. And of course here, you know, you're gonna trace all the R sounds, okay? Let me make sure for you not to forget the pages. It's gonna be work, book, page 4 and 5. And book, page start from 10 to 15. Here you go, parents. You can see those are the pages of stepping stones that you're gonna do today. Workbook. We're gonna start with the book, of course. Book page from 10 to 15 and workbook page 4 and 5. Thank you. That's for stepping stones. Bye.